You can find down this bit. Yeah. This bit's fine. Right, you've got to find something really good down here because the kids in my class want to see it, alright? No pressure. No pressure at all. Yeah. We've got a bunch of 8-year-olds that are dying.
You'll go.
There's some bottles on the shelf up there if you can't like them. You don't get cool bottles on.
Oh, man.
Want me to go get them? Where are they? Yeah, I'll come on this way.
Top of the stairs, yeah.
Sorry, I'll go get them.
It was good to me.
Well, this was in the hospital. I haven't seen it yet. I better.
Wow. She looks good there, doesn't it? Can you hold this down? Hold that tripod. Let's have a look. Let's have a little go.
Are you going to be alright with one hand?
Yeah, it'll be alright.
Tell me about that, will you? Oh my God.
It looks like it used to have one running across it down, buddy.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got this down there, Frank?
Yeah, if you could bring it down, Dan. You've got the electric wires. It has electricity at one time. Oh, it's going to be a bit of a goody slide again here.
Looks like it's on wire.
Yeah, there's wires still here. Yeah. But it's a great tunnel. Great tunnel front of Manston. The old candles. Yeah. R.A.F. What's it, 29th of the 3rd?
27.
27. R.A.F.
That's 42 there.
42.
42.
Yeah. Well, underneath Manston, let's hope it's something really interesting.
Maybe 27. 27 again.
It's wonderful, isn't it? If it was to come to a dead end now, it would be an amazing little tunnel. Looks like it's getting slimmer. Oh, look, losing light. Oh, she's blocked off. Yeah. Really? That's a shame. It's been backfilled somewhere.
Just outside the land, isn't it? Outside the building.
So I'll have a sniff round. Yeah, it's just about to say dump that. Cheers, mate.
Let's go and follow what's happening.
Well, it's obviously an air raid shelter. Quite a nice one. Definitely for people who are stationed here during the war. there you go. A nice little interesting air raid shelter under Manston. Thanks for looking.